What's good, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss, and today we're going to be unboxing the OnePlus 6. So without further ado, let's crack this box right open and let's see what's in the box. So guys, as you can see, we have the OnePlus 6 over here. The box is very, very nice and flawless. Very great design. On the side here we have the OnePlus 6 logo, and then on the other side we have the speed you need, and then at the front we have the massive logo of the 6, and then obviously at the top we have the OnePlus logo. So let's crack right into this and open it up. It's very, very tight. Let's just get the device out. So here we go, the device is right there. Let's just put that aside. Let's see what else is in the box. So as we look in the box, we have this nice beautiful red box, which I presume has all the paperwork. Let's just have a look. Let's just slide it out. Oh my days, everything is so snugly fitted in. Nah, nothing else in there. Anyway, let's see. Wow, you get a free case with the OnePlus 6. I'm not too sure if you get this with all the OnePlus 6s, but I mean, it's a nice touch to it. Let's have a look. We have all the cutouts on the bottom, the top, the side, the front, the top, and also at the back. And as you can see, right over there, it says designed by OnePlus. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. Designed by OnePlus over there. Let's put this to the side and let's check out what's here. As you can see, we have the SIM tray over there. Don't really want to take it out. And then over here we have some paperwork of, I believe, how to use the device. Yep, how to use the device. Different languages there for whatever language or whatever country you get the phone in. How to use the device and stuff like that. Let's put that down. And then in here as well we have a few stickers. If we can get them out. I'll just have a few stickers, OnePlus stickers, and then whatever this is, not too some safety information. Okay, let's put that to the side. Okay, so in the actual box here we have the charging brick, which very, very nice. As you can see, we have the logo there, OnePlus, and the red color and accent goes throughout the whole phone, which is a very nice touch. Is this a fast charging brick? It is not a fast charging brick, just a normal brick. Very nice though. And then in the box we have the USB cable to charge the phone up, give the phone some juice, and just normal USB-C. Again, we have the nice red accent going through the whole phone and everything inside the USB-C cable, and also inside the USB cable to charge it up, which is very, very nice. I'm actually very impressed with OnePlus. They've literally made something insane. And yeah, just that. What else is in the box? There's nothing else really in the box. Anyway, let's get to the device. So let's place this in the case. Wow, the case feels absolutely, it feels like the case is not even on. It feels like you're just holding the device, which is very, very good. Let's power this on, and as it powers on, let's just go through the device. So up here we have the speaker, the mic over there, and then coming to the side we have the silent switch over here, so you can turn the phone silent or you can put it on vibrate mode. Then over here we have the lock button and also the power on and off button. Then coming up to the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and then speaker, and then the mic, and then the USB-C charging port over there, and then the speaker grill over on that side, and then just on this side we have the rocker, the volume rocker buttons. And that's it really, nothing else on the device. And then in the back we have the beautiful dual camera setup, and then the fingerprint scanner over there, and then the flash, and then the logo. Then nothing else on it really on the back, no much clutter at all. But anyway, up here we have the notch, which is not annoying actually for some reason. Then the front facing camera there as well. Let's just get in the phone and let's show you about. As you can see, the OnePlus 6 in all its glory. Very nice, very snappy, I would say. Very nice and snappy. But anyway guys, that is the OnePlus 6. We will be doing a review on this as well, so keep your eyes tuned. Very beautiful.
So guys, there you have it. There is the OnePlus 6. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to share this video, and also click the subscribe button as well. It's Fast and Furious. I don't even know how to say it. It's too noisy out here, but you know what, I don't really care. But yeah, that's the phone. I hope you enjoyed the video, like I said. And yeah, also go check out my Instagram page and also follow it as well. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. I can't even talk. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.